Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox and look at the JBL E65BTNC wireless over-the-ear noise cancelling headphones. So let's get into it. JBL has released their newest member in their E series family, which is the JBL E65BTNC. The headphone is a Bluetooth enabled wireless headphones with active noise cancelling feature. Also comes with an aux cable, so you can continue listening via the cable option in case the rechargeable battery in the headphone runs out of juice. The JBL E65BTNC headphones combine eye-catching design and premium quality to deliver the world-renowned JBL Signature Sound with wireless convenience and superior active noise cancelling capabilities. Soft and comfortable fabric headband and angled form-fitting ear cushions for longer, more enjoyable and immersive listening sessions. The JBL E65BTNC headphones provide active noise cancelling for both wired and wireless mode. They also provide 24 hours of battery in Bluetooth mode and 15 hours in Bluetooth and noise cancelling mode, and be completely recharged in around 2 hours. Multitasking is made easy with JBL headphones, which seamlessly switch between two devices, ensuring that you'll never miss a call while enjoying your favorite playlist or watching a movie. The noise cancelling is actually quite impressive. These block out sound quite well. Final words, the JBL E65BTNC headphones have the classic JBL sound signature, which means they were really good quality sound in wire and wireless mode. Most users who have a phone without the 3.5mm jack will enjoy the Bluetooth with the noise cancelling option and will find it very easy and practical to use. I must say JBL has done a great job with his E65BTNC headphones. I've been using it regularly since unboxing for my daily commute during my lunch hours, at home, at work, and I really like the power of its noise cancelling, and the sound quality is seamless and powerful. I've used it to answer phone calls as well and had no issues there as well. It lasted me more than 10 hours easily on the Bluetooth and noise cancelling mode. Not only they are very affordable, and with the Christmas shopping deals all over, they are available at a very good price at most retailers here in New Zealand. People who travel and commute more often will love the extended battery life, the folding feature. Like always, I'll post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.